good evening. Just I'm waiting for the waiting room for this Iceland, like Gabrielle Island. That is now the ferry will come here, and this is the waiting room. That lot of ships and other also. If you see from here, it's a car waiting list. This is the car also. After 1 hour it will start, and this is the inside. Actually there is some information written here, so after maybe 30 minutes I will ride on ship with the car and show you the rest of part and everything. And if I want to open and show you the map, that you can see. This is the map, and that is the area that's clearly showing about this.